If you love food, keep watching. If you live in Wisconsin or plan to visit Wisconsin soon, even better. And if you're doing Veganuary, then this video is perfect for you. But these places serve amazing food all year round, so you can go anytime. Here, I'm going to present my 6 favorite vegetarian/vegan restaurants in Wisconsin. Starting alphabetically with Lafayette Cafe in Milwaukee. I love that place. I've been many times and I've tried many items on the menu, so trust me on this. This restaurant is 100% vegetarian with many vegan options. They have nachos, they have tacos, they have wraps and sandwiches and burgers. They have crepes and pancakes. Their specials change often and adapt to the seasons, so it's always interesting to see what they come up with. They have great smoothies, coffee drinks. They always have flowers on the tables and art on the walls. The owner and the staff are super nice, so if you're on the west side of Milwaukee, go check it out. Next up is Cafe Manna in Brookfield, which is right outside of Milwaukee. It's a 100% vegetarian restaurant with many vegan options. The food is delicious. The prices are a little expensive, but the portions are very generous, so you can either share with somebody or bring home some leftovers. The Cheeze Factory in Baraboo is 100% vegan, so take your time with the menu and make sure you leave room for dessert. It's the kind of restaurant where everything looks good, so you'll have to come back or order several things and bring some leftovers home. It's located right downtown, and it's the perfect place for a hearty meal after a long hike at Devil's Lake. I've loved everything I've had there, and I usually get an extra dessert to bring home for the next day. The Lafayette place is a cute little restaurant on the corner of East Lafayette in Milwaukee, and it's a small place, so it tends to fill up. Be prepared to wait depending on at what time you get there, but the owner is super friendly and the food is delicious. The Lafayette place is 100% vegan. It's a brunch restaurant that closes at 2, and they have great food, great desserts, great smoothies, and coffee drinks. I love their cheesy hash, and I've loved every dessert I've tried there. I tend to get one to eat there and then one to go. Strange Town is a small plates restaurant. It's 100% plant-based, and their menu changes quite often, but I have always loved what I order there. The idea is the plates are small and you order several and you share with your party. The place is a little expensive, but everything is so flavorful that it is absolutely worth it. They have a unisex bathroom, and there's a 20% gratuity added to the check to make sure their employees get a fair wage. So if you're on the east side of Milwaukee for a special occasion, make sure to check out Strange Town and definitely make room for dessert because they're always fabulous. Alphabetically last but not least is Wicked Willow in Stevens Point. It's a 100% vegan restaurant right downtown. The ownership has changed in 2023, but the food is just as delicious as it used to be. They have retained the same decor, which I really like, and the new owners are very nice. The menu has a lot of different kinds of mac and cheeses. They have items inspired by Asian food, they have quesadillas, they have pancakes, and they have a lot of great desserts. So if you're ever in Stevens Point, make sure that's where you eat.